Hey, welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name is Leo Johnson. Today I have the pleasure of showing you this 2025 Harris Cruiser 230. This boat is in the metallic black with the silver accenting, and we've got the black rails on this boat, fence rails. It's a good looking boat. It also comes equipped with the power bimini top. Let's go ahead and hop aboard and check out some of the interior features. All right, welcome aboard this 230 Cruiser. This boat's got the dune interior color, which is a nice sandy color, really sharp look. This one is in the SLDH layout, so we've got the rear sun lounger back here with the 3 positions. Go rear facing, all the way flat, or of course forward facing. We've also got a cooler under the back corner and plenty of storage here. This particular boat is powered with a 200 horsepower V6 from Mercury. It's a great power package for this boat. You'll be in the mid 40s very comfortably. It's also got the ski tow pylon right above. With this boat being a dual helm boat, it's a great setup here for a family. Both of these seats swivel, slide, and recline. You've also got 2 armrests, and this one is optioned with the flip up bolsters. So you can get up nice and high, just like that. Also got a steering wheel on a tilt base to get your helm station configured just to your liking. This boat's got a JL Audio head unit with the upgraded sound system, as well as a Simrad NSX screen up top here, multifunction display, so you'll have your fish finder, depth finder, charts, all kinds of good stuff like that. Also got a wireless phone charger over here and manual switching for some of your key components. Coming forward on this boat, we've equipped it with the center ski locker. It's one of the best options. Huge storage in here. It's the largest in the industry. You can put skis, tubes, wakeboards, all kinds of stuff in there, and it does drain as well. Also equipped this boat with the flip up table over here on the port side, so great entertainment space there. Folds away super easily as well. Wrapping it up at the bow here of this 230 Cruiser, it's a very deep, spacious place to sit. We've got storage under these seats as well as cup holders and USBs. This is one of our favorite boats for getting your family out on the water. If you're in the market, if you want to check it out, give us a call, check us out at marinemax.com or stop by our showroom and we'd be happy to show you more. Thanks for watching.